apple hanging on a tree so red and round just for me. One monkey came and said with glee, "Yummy apple, let me see." Two apples shiny in the sun, picking apples is so much fun. Two puppies bark and run and spin, let's share apples, we both win. Three green apples in a row, they roll and tumble to and fro. While three rabbits hop, they sniff and munch, they love apples for their lunch. Four apples falling near the gate, crunchy, sweet, and super great. The four chicks cheep, can we try? One for each, oh me, oh my. Five apples near a beehive, buzzing bees go zoom, it's five. Five bees dance around the fruit, singing apples sure are cute. Six apples in a basket low, where did all the apples go? Six kittens meow and sniff around, let's take apples we have found. Seven apples on the map, one rolled under, oh look at that. You know, seven birds chirp and peck away, it's a happy apple day. Eight red apples stacked so neat, a tower tall, such a treat. Two people with walk in line, each takes one, now that's fine. Nine apples shining in the light, they look tasty, take a bite. Nine foxes sniff with nose so keen, let's not waste, we'll keep them clean. 10 apples, we reach the end, count them all and share with friends. Two kids all cheer, hooray, we're done! Counting apples sure is fun.